Today we are going to learn how to mix the major and minor pentatonic scales over a dominant 7th chord. This technique opens up a world of creative possibilities and gives you access to a rich bluesy sound on your guitar. Let's use A7 as our example chord. First, I will show you the position for both the minor and major pentatonic scales over A7. Position 1, I have a cool tip. Use your little finger to locate the major pentatonic scale. Next, starting with your index finger, you can easily play the minor pentatonic scale for the same A7 chord. In position 2, the shapes become even more intuitive. In this position, both your major and minor pentatonic begin with your ring finger. First, let's see the major pentatonic scale shape. Now, let's switch to the minor pentatonic scale shape. Let's blend the two scales together over the A7 chord. Here is a bonus tip. You are already close to a full blues sound with this position. By adding a single blue note, you can create either a major and minor blues scale. For the major blues scale, the blue note is the flat third. Take your major pentatonic scale and add this note. For the minor blues scale, the blue note is the flat fifth. That's it. With these tools, you now have the knowledge to mix minor and major pentatonic scales and even add a blues touch over your dominant 7th chord. Experiment with these scales and discover your own unique sound. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like and share for more tips and lessons. Thanks for watching.